There's news right at the top. No death penalty for the Italian Marines who stand accused of shooting dead two Indian fishermen off the coast of Kerala. A major diplomatic face-off between India and Italy has been avoided. The Home Ministry has now revised the sanction to prosecute the Italian Marines for killing those fishermen. The ministry, in fact, has removed the clause that allowed death penalty to be given to both those Marines who are currently in captivity. Headlines today is Kamaljeet Sandhu joins us for more on this story. Exactly what is this new directive that allows these Marines to get away without the death penalty, Kamaljeet?
It definitely means water down of charges, and obviously under SUA Section 1A, what it really meant was that the earlier charges basically were more stringent. It meant death for death. So in that case, it was death penalty. And remember the way even the Italy ambassador had come to the fore and said that these Marines don't deserve it. They're neither pirates nor criminals and cannot be treated in such a manner. So obviously the sanctioned prosecution did lie with the Home Ministry. The NIA had sought prosecution under SUA Act of Section 131G. So that has been watered down. The new section is obviously goes ahead and says that this is an act of violence in which the maximum punishment is 10 years. So yes, it's a big victory for the Italian Marines. It also means that these Italian Marines can now get away with a lesser sentence. And remember, it's just not a victory for the Italian Marines and the Italy itself, but it also means that the family of those particular fishermen will really have to suffer a lot, because this has been a case which has been going on in the court. Obviously, these Italian Marines had been in India. They had been allowed to go and holiday abroad. There was a lot of flack which came the government's way, but definitely the attitude of the government now is very clear. They've watered down the charges. It does mean that there is quite a lot of chance that these Italian Marines will get away with a sentence which is much lighter and perhaps much lesser than 10 years itself.
Thanks very much, Kamaljeet, for joining us with that quick update.